Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
From circuit boards to bug wings, the detail is insane. And today, I've got the perfect tools to explore it. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best USB microscopes of 2025 that are affordable, beginner-friendly, and incredibly powerful. Whether you're a student, DIY techie, or just curious, these microscopes plug right into your laptop or phone and bring the tiny world to life. No lab coat needed, just curiosity. Let's zoom in and check them out. Number 1. Jiusion Wi-Fi USB Digital Handheld Microscope. Explore the microscopic world in stunning 4K clarity with this Wi-Fi USB Digital Handheld Microscope. With 50x to 1000x magnification and 8 LED lights, every detail comes to life. It connects wirelessly to iPhone, Android, Mac, Windows, and more for easy viewing. The durable metal stand ensures steady, hands-free observation. Perfect for students, hobbyists, tech lovers, and curious minds of all ages. Number 2. Wireless Digital Microscope. Unlock a new level of discovery with the Sky Basic Wireless Digital Microscope, offering 1000x magnification for crystal clear close-ups. Easily connect via Wi-Fi or USB to your iPhone, Android, iPad, Windows, or Mac devices. Capture stunning HD images and videos with the built-in camera and adjustable LED lighting. Its portable handheld design and adjustable stand make it perfect for any setting. Ideal for learning, inspecting, or exploring. Anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Plugable USB Digital Microscope. Dive into the microscopic world with the Plugable USB Digital Microscope, featuring up to 250x magnification and a crisp 2 MPC camera for detailed viewing. Perfect for kids and adults alike. It works seamlessly with Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Linux, Android, and iPad. Switch between handheld use or stable viewing with the included flexible arm stand. Ideal for hobbies, education, or professional inspection work. Simple to use, powerful in performance, perfect for curious minds of all ages. Number 4. 7-inch LCD Digital Microscope 1200x. Experience the microscopic world in vivid detail with the Lipan 7 LCD Digital Microscope, offering up to 1200x magnification and a sharp 12-megapixel camera. Its large built-in screen and included 32GB TF card make viewing and saving photos and videos effortless. Equipped with 2 side lights, 12 prepared slides, and a wired remote for easy control. Compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, it's perfect for coin collectors, hobbyists, and science enthusiasts. A complete, user-friendly kit designed for exploration, education, and fun. Number 5. Bysameyee 4K 3840 by 2160p Wireless Digital Microscope. Step into the world of ultra-clear detail with this 4K wireless digital microscope, offering stunning 3840 by 2160p resolution and 50x to 1000x magnification. Easily connect to your iPhone, iPad, Android, Windows, or Mac for seamless viewing and capturing. Perfect for inspecting coins, electronics, plants, or tiny details in everyday objects. The included adjustable stand ensures stable, hands-free operation for precise observation. A must-have tool for hobbyists, students, professionals, and curious explorers alike.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.